Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, it's Stacy here again. As you can see guys, I have my beautiful model guys. So for today's tutorial guys, is not a client, okay? So she's actually a model, okay, that I've been using for this Igbo inspiration model, okay? So what I will be doing today guys, I'm actually going to be making her hair. So as you can see, I'm already done with her hair, so I had to just do a simple style that I will be using beads to wrap up later, okay, to make this look complete, okay guys. So as you can see guys, in case if you want to do your makeup, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Grab your cup of coffee, or you grab your cold drink, okay, with some chips, and then watch this tutorial. If you want to do your makeup, your personal, your professional makeup for clients, for wherever, just take your time and watch so that you will learn one or two things from this tutorial. Okay guys, as you can see, I already primed my client's face, and I'm just using a beauty blender to blend in. I also use a setting spray, okay, to make sure that primer, and I use the base so that it will be able to set in properly. All right, so now I'm applying my foundation guys. For the foundation I use in this tutorial, recently I've been using more of V Beauty product, okay. So for this tutorial I also use V Beauty foundation. All right, then I'm just going to be now applying my highlighter, and I'm using a nuban highlighter, okay. And for my concealer, my liquid concealer guys, I'm also going to be using nuban cream concealer, okay guys. I hope you enjoy this makeup as I'm enjoying it. All right guys, so now we are going to blend and blend. Don't forget, makeup is all about blending, okay. You have to blend. When you are good in blending, don't forget guys, at the end of the day you are going to get a perfect result, okay. So now I'm just applying my liquid contour. Like I said before, I'm also using a product from nuban, okay. So now I'm just going to blend in the liquid contour, then I'm going to move over to apply my dry contour. All right guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will see you all later.
Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Tell them what. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Tell them what.
Hey guys, so welcome back. All right, so now guys, we're about to do the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow guys, I'm going to be using a yellow eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be applying orange eyeshadow to do the outer corner, the outer corner of the eye. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a little bit of brown shade. Okay, but the brown is not really going to be that obvious, but as you can see guys, I'm applying the orange. Okay, so that's it for the eyeshadow. Basically guys, I wanted the eyeshadow that would be really pop. I don't know if you get me guys. I wanted something really sharp for this tutorial because of the hair and all that, because she's going to be wearing different attires for this look. Okay, so I needed something that will really pop out. Okay, that was why I had to choose that yellow and orange color eyeshadow. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? Guys, this look is really gorgeous. And for her brows guys, you can see the brows is really long because she has her natural brows is really full, and her natural brows is really long. Okay, so I didn't want to remove too much, as you can see, so I just had to do it to make it a little bit bold so that I won't remove too much hair. Okay, so that was it guys. As you can see guys, I'm applying liner. Okay, I already used my liner. Okay, and for her down sorry guys, for the down part, oh, guys, I'm also using a little bit of yellow to touch it. Okay, so I wanted it to pop out. As you can see, I am done applying my first lashes. So this step right here, I'm blending. Like I said earlier, you have to blend and blend. All right, so now I'm just using powder to do the finishing touch. All right, guys, you can see my model. She's smiling. She's smiling because she's like, wow, this look is gorgeous on me. So next step, guys, we are going to be using our shiny. Oh no, don't mind me, guys. I'm just joking. So right now, guys, I'm using highlighter. Okay, guys. Okay, this look is really giving, guys. This look is giving what it's supposed to be giving. I love it. Okay, so my final and the most beautiful part of this makeup is the lips, guys. So I'll be using these 4 classic lipstick. Okay, so these 4 that I'm holding, guys, is what I'm going to be applying. I'm going to be using for a lipstick. Okay guys, all right, stay tuned and watch out for the final look. I love you guys. See you all later. Bye bye.
Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Tell them what. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Tell them what.
guys, my mother is finally ready, guys. So what do you think about this look? So the first outfit, guys, is actually an Igbo outfit. Okay, inspiration. If you're an Igbo and you're my family here on YouTube, please you let us know if we did well with this Igbo outfit. Okay, so you can see my mother, she's just smiling. But mind you guys, she's actually an Igbo girl, okay? So she's my UK connect baby. So she came to visit us here in Spain and we decided to do this photo shoot, all right? So that is it, guys. So now, guys, this Edo inspiration, okay? So what do you think, all my Edo family here on YouTube? What do you think about this Edo attire? Did she nailed it or not? Let me know in the comment section. In fact, guys, let me know which is your favorite.
Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Tell them boy. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Welcome to Stacy's Bangles.